Good day, folks. In the words of a wise Japanese man, let's get some civic sense today. We at Precar Mart bring you the top of the line Honda Civic 2019, the XC variant of it. On the design front of this car, I feel they have taken a lot of cue from the Acura NSX this time. With the Civic, Honda has entered to the 10th generation of its Civic range. They have jumped from 8th to 10th directly, 9th is skipped, and this looks like a little more futuristic, but the previous one was a little more futuristic. They have things on the front which are actually functional, a small lip spoiler, functional air vents, all LED headlamp, sculpted bonnet. It's a really aggressive looking car. The previous Civic, it had a major problem of scraping the road wherever it goes. This Civic doesn't have it. You see this gap? That's the good news for the customers. This one has a 171 mm of ground clearance, which is more than enough for Indian roads. The wheels also are very nice, brushed aluminium finish, 17-inch radials. Yokohama gives you soft compound tires which are very phenomenal on the grip wise, and it also has ABS EBD with brake assist. The 10th generation Civic has an 1800cc under the hood. It is a 4-cylinder engine. It does 144 brake horsepower and 174 Nm of torque. Now this is roughly 70% assembled in Japan, where Honda is giving 3 years or unlimited kilometer warranty in this. The aggressive design language is carried to the rear of the body also. The C-shaped tail lamps look very distinctive. Anybody from very far distance can tell you that it's a Civic going. Now the space is one thing the Civic scores very generously at. The boot is a nice 430 liters of space. You can open it with your remote. Another good thing which you can do in this remote is start the engine from a distance. It's a first in segment. You lock the car and within 5 seconds you press this button, the engine starts up. We are in the cabin of the 10th generation Civic, and one thing you notice instantly is the futuristic look of this cabin. The Honda engine, as you always expect, NVH levels are very low. It's a very silent cabin, very smooth ride. Now Honda has continued the Civic from 1972, and the interiors also are really futuristic. They just take you to some other place. Everything here is soft touch, silk finish, and we have a lot of features in this car which is like first in segment. The seat is electronically adjusted, only for the driver though, passenger does it manually. And you see the parking lever is gone here, which makes in a lot of space for your storage. Electronically adjustable, that is now a push off button and your parking brake is on. Another one cool feature is the camera installed on the ORVM on the left side. When you turn your indicator on, the feed is directly given to your system here, and you cannot miss your blind spot on this car. A very futuristic car. The sunroof is one touch. You just touch the button and it opens up totally. It's a very nice place to be in this cabin.